Hello dear children. Today in this session we will study about the composition painting. So children, what is the meaning of composition painting? The term composition applied to all art, be it is literary, performing or visual. A poet compose a poem, a musician compose a tune, an artist compose a visual piece. To compose means to arrange things together using your creativity, talent and aesthetic sense. Any finished art piece is a well thought of composition which involve the elements of art organized with the help of principles of art. The painter has the universe in his or her mind and hands. So my dear children, the artist is the only one who can make anything with his or her hands. Now how to make the composition painting? Lines, when we put together, become a form in a creative space. They are then made interesting with different colors and illusion of textures. When all this is being done, our conscious mind keep judging and keep guiding the hand and according to the principles of art. Now children, let's know the various means by which a picture or painting can be composed. Firstly, the selective picture or painting. By this is meant the best picture or a painting a photographer can obtain given the size or his camera. Simple studies based on natural scenes such as landscape, seascapes or any natural scenes that catch your eye because of its colors, lighting effects, forms, structures, etc. Scenes or events of everyday life were imagined is an human figure engaged in a routine or specific action such as market, interiors, parties, restaurant, street scenes, etc. Such representations may be real or imaginary. Artists depict their surroundings carefully. Simple motifs and forms of folk art, Madhubani, Varli, Alpana, Rangoli, Mandal art, miniature art, etc. composed together. Dear children, which medium and surface can be used in this composition painting? You can use lead pencil, charcoal pencils, oil pastel colors, soft pastel colors, watercolors, acrylic colors or other oil paints, etc. Learning to paint a composition is a complete exercise of learning skill of drawing and painting. The secret of to a perfect composition is easier than you think. So, children, perfect composition is that when artists compose a best painting by his imagination. I hope the concept of the composition painting is clear to you all and you understand the meaning of composition painting. Thank you very much.